Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the project I have just created on InShot. And for example, I'm going to remove this watermark. But before I show you how we can remove watermark from our video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove the InShot watermark. So you just need to click on this X button, and then if you want to remove it for free, you can watch advertisement. You can choose free remove and watch ad, or you can subscribe to InShot Pro and the watermark will be automatically removed. Okay, the InShot watermark has been removed, and now it's time to remove the watermark from this video. So guys, usually I use the mask trick to remove watermark. I'm going to duplicate my video first, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. You can select switch like this, and then I'm going to add mask to the second layer. This layer guys, and choose the mask, select the shape of the mask, and I'm going to choose the circle mask. Okay, and you can adjust the size and the position, and take another part of your video to cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the watermark on this video. Okay, like this. And to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the feather. Okay, adjust the feather just a little bit. And we're going to adjust the lightness as well. I'm going to go to the adjust menu or option right here, and I'm going to adjust the lightness. Okay, perfect. And this is the final result. Okay, and I know guys that this method or this trick can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the video has complicated object, but at least you know how to remove it with the mask trick. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.